Today, we're talking about the 3 biggest mistakes that home buyers make when buying a home, and we're starting right now. Hi, my name is Terry Hendricks. I'm a local realtor in Frisco, Texas with RE/MAX DFW Associates, and I make very informative and educational videos, so please tune in to all of my video content. Today, we're talking about the mistakes that home buyers make when buying a home. And I talk to many home buyers every single day. The biggest reasons that most people want to buy is because one, they're a first-time home buyer and they're tired of renting, tired of throwing their money away, or they've been in their first home for a while and now it's time to upgrade to that new home, to that perfect home. And many people ask me, hey Terry, what do I need to do to put myself in the best place possible to buy a home? Well, in this video, it's going to be very informative, very educational, but we're going to talk about the things that you should do as well as the things that you should not do. Because those deal killers are things that can cost you thousands of dollars. And if you stay to the end, I have a free gift for you. So there are 3 opportunities that we're going to discuss, and let's talk about that right now. So opportunity number 1 is going to be how you search for homes. And if you're a home buyer and if you're looking for a home, I'm pretty sure you've been on Zillow, Realtor.com, Redfin.com, and a bunch of different websites. The bad news is, if you're seeing the homes online, many of the best properties, they sell just like that, they sell instantly, or they may sell before they even come on the market. If you really want to get the best properties, the ones that other agents and other home buyers don't have access to, is to find homes that's not on the market. And if you followed me for a while, you know I initially started out being a real estate investor. And we worked tirelessly looking for wholesale deals. And that's in any price range. So if you're looking for the properties with the best deals, the best pricing, and the homes that's not overpicked on the market, you really want to be able to market to neighborhoods and to homeowners to find that ideal property for you. So that's opportunity number 1. Opportunity number 2 is going to be financing. Yep, that's everybody's favorite topic. It's all about the numbers, it's all about money, right? So when most people are looking to finance a home, they go to their local bank. And anything could be further from the truth. The best deals as it relates to financing is typically to work with a realtor who has a relationship with local lenders. Most local lenders have the best programs and a variety of programs that typically the local bank or credit union, that they just don't have that. So it's best to work with a local lender. Now we get to opportunity number 3. And this is my favorite one of them all. And it's all about negotiating. Now I love to negotiate. Again, being a real estate investor, I love the art of deal making. And most people think that negotiating is just all about price. But there's much more to negotiating than price. There are a variety of contingencies that can make a deal or it can break a deal. And one of my number 1 jobs as your realtor, as any of my clients' realtor, is to protect their earnest money. So there are a variety of things that we need to make sure that we take care of to 1, get the best deal, and 2, to be protected. Okay guys, so we've talked about 3 opportunities that we have. Opportunity number 1, the way we look for homes. Opportunity number 2, the way we finance homes. Then opportunity number 3, how we negotiate for properties. And it's really, really important. So I decided that I'm going to make a video series talking about each opportunity. And because you have stayed to the end, I do have a free gift for you. I'm going to give you a free copy of my book. It's really informative, very educational, and it's going to help you win in today's environment. No strings attached. I don't have to be your realtor. I just want to give you information. So go to my website, buywithterry.com, enter your info, and I'm going to mail you a copy of my book. Again, it's buywithterry.com, and wait for the next video about opportunity number 1, how do you search for properties.